Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by making sure your Roku and your phone or laptop are on the same Wi-Fi network, because mirroring uses local network discovery. Once done, check for a Roku system update so compatibility is current, and then open Settings, System, Screen Mirroring to enable either Prompt or Always Allow. You do this now to avoid connection interruptions. Choosing Prompt gives control, Always Allow speeds future connections. These steps minimize setup friction before pairing with your device. Now you initiate the cast from the source device. On Android, open Connected Devices or Cast, then pick your Roku. On Windows, use Action Center, Project, and select your Roku as a wireless display. If you're on iPhone or iPad, swipe to Control Center and choose Screen Mirroring only when your Roku supports AirPlay. Make sure the device names match so you select the correct receiver and accept any prompt on the Roku screen. Doing this connects video, audio, and touch input when supported. Finish by checking playback and adjusting display scale or orientation if the mirrored image is cropped, since aspect ratios differ between devices. To end a session, stop mirroring from your phone or PC or press home on the Roku. If your device can't find the Roku, reboot the Roku and your router and confirm both are on the same Wi-Fi band. Sometimes switching bands helps. That single troubleshooting tip, reboot and verify network parity, fixes the majority of connection failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.